A good friend is preferable to a close relative. Live your life not by celebrating victory but by overcoming defeat. If you have a straw tail, keep it away from the fire and allow the world to alter you. The best thing a coach can hope for is to see his players develop better. Only by leading a ridiculous life is it possible to escape this never-ending craziness. A man's tongue is sharper than a knife when you work hard, so if he listens, it's because he wants to talk too. Won't always be content, you'll go through difficult moments and become frustrated. There is nothing excellent that you can take out of the bag other than what is currently inside. Eternal or malevolent, that never ends, since humans are primarily animals engaged in a struggle for dominance and survival. You create time for the things that matter to you. A human life is worth millions of times the whole wealth of the richest person on the planet. Therefore, having friends is nice, but having enemies is far more terrible. To achieve a lot, you have to give up all you desire. Don't believe it when it comes to the need for big passion, since everything you do with happiness and skill will be judged by the same standards, by others. Don't bring it up. The large crocodile will not let you cross the river. The storm grows larger with increasing ship size. We know that we cannot sow seeds with closed hands. Instead, we must open hands when we come into contact with tiles. Tell me who you walk with, and I will tell you who you are. Drop from your home's roof. This is your opportunity to observe 10,000 stars. A good student must also be a good defender. He must become tough without ever losing his gentleness. A dog who howls non-stop gets ignored. Don't hang your hat higher than you can reach. Dress a monkey in silk and quiet the monkey. If we are not willing to die for something, we cannot be certain that we have something to live for. Alas for those who want revenge, and genuinely revolutionary and vengeful love leads to one door closing but 1,000 openings. Cancer always makes an appearance for the one who considers it first. The man who develops himself is born twice.